Check out this beautiful 2022 Glastron GX 195. This boat only has 25 hours on it, has hardly even been used. Still in brand new condition. Just listen to those geese, they'll tell you. Nice little swim platform back here. You can lift this guy. Lift that guy up to walk through. Pull this guy out. Now you got a nice little swim pad area back here. Lots of cup holders everywhere for everybody. Got this cool seat for the co-captain. Be sitting forward or push it back. Again, only 25 hours on this boat. 8-person capacity. Nice little spot up here up front for everybody. Table can go back there in the front. Then easy access to the motor here. Mercury 200, 4.5 liter. Awesome little area to store your wet swimsuit in or whatever. Kind of dry back here for you. Lots of room down in the engine space. Snapping carpet. Storage down here. There's the table. Poles for the cover. And then the cover hides away nicely right under that back bench. Beautiful 2022 Glastron 195 GX. Come take a look.